The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Berrien County in southwest Michigan, LaPorte County in northwest Indiana, western St. Joseph County in north-central Indiana, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 10:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, 11:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This severe storm was located 8 miles northwest of Michigan City and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Michigan City and Trail Creek, Westville, New Buffalo, WANATAH, SHOREWOOD-TOWER Hill and La Crosse, Three Oaks, LaPorte and Stevensville. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Pottawatomie Park, Michiana Shores, Grand Beach, Waterford, Union Pier, Lakeside, Turner Shores, Springville, Heston, Bowling Prairie, Iron and Hudson Lake. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service in northern Indiana.